Hi, this is Dr. Ria, currently preparing for Usmle Step 1 exam. From tomorrow, I'll be entering into my dedicated phase of this journey. And this is my YouTube channel, Your Usmle Study Buddy. So I have selected two resources, very popular ones actually, and I have selected two of them because I really want to give my focus on high concept while I'm reviewing in my dedicated phase. And these two resources is UWorld and Melman PDF. So I've been aiming to achieve more than 75% of my first three NVMe, and this is the reason I really want to master the high concept on Melman, but also want to be familiar with the concept and the pattern of the main exam. That's why I put URL, and I'm using URL from the very beginning of my pre-dedicated journey as building the basic too. But before that, I've used multiple resources to build a strong basic for this exam. And for that reason, I used Dr. Najib's lectures note and also did review Kaplan lecture notes for Usmle Step 1, and also studied some of the systems like renal, reproductive pulmonology from boards and beyond. I'm not recommending Dr. Najib in your dedicated phase. Rather, I'd love to recommend it you all to include it as a gold standard in your pre-dedicated phase of building basic. And also put Kaplan because it is very important to know the outline, the syllabus of Usmle, because Kaplan lecture notes cover all of it. But if you have really short time to build your basics, go for BNB. This one is great, but for me, I am a very great fan of Dr. Najib's lecture notes. But using these resources are not much popular like normal Usmle norm. But why I just want to make sure that whatever I'm studying, I have a crystal clear concept. Beside that, these resources are very time consuming, yet will help you build a great basic. And also I use them so that I can be more flexible while I'm solving the URL questions. And actually, when I did Dr. Najib, after doing that, when I moved to my UWorld, I find it quite interesting, and I enjoyed solving all of the questions in my first pass. And I have opened this YouTube channel as a part of my journaling to record the entire Usmle journey. And I also want to connect with all of you who are aiming for this exam. So I think I love to share not only my journey inside, would also love to share the important high concept. We will study together virtually on YouTube channel the high topics of each high concept. So wish me luck and join this study channel and keep supporting my journey, and also share your insight too. Thank you.